plotting instead of natural logarithm. If you convert that into log to the base 10, what will be the? It will be 2.303 log r. So then also slope is minus k. So when you are plotting 2.303 r, then slope will be minus k upon 2.303. If log r is plotted, then the slope against t, then the slope is minus k upon 2.303. So remember this. Now we can rearrange this equation. Now when we rearrange this equation, you will get what? ln r minus ln r naught is equal to minus kt. Now you see ln r minus ln r naught. So what is the rule? Log a minus log b is log a by b. So ln r upon r naught. ln r upon r naught. ln r upon r naught is equal to minus k. So you can plot this also. This is also for a straight line equation. So what will be the nature of the graph? See the graph on x-axis t, on y-axis what will you have on y-axis? ln r upon r naught. ln r upon r naught. Okay, so the graph will pass through the origin. The graph will pass through the origin. Since it is minus kt, now we can rearrange this again. ln r naught upon r. ln r naught upon r. ln r naught upon r is equal to k. Okay, so instead of ln r upon r naught, we will write ln r naught upon r. The graph passing through the origin. For convenience, we are doing it. And here you can see the slope is positive. What is the slope? Slope is k. Suppose instead of this natural logarithm, you are plotting log r naught upon r. What will be the slope? K upon 2.3. Now let us do a problem. This is a JEE question. So the question is, for a first order reaction, the variation of A minus X with T is given below. So a graph is given, log A minus X moles per liter against T in minutes, and graph is a straight line, and the graph is making 45-degree angle with the horizontal. Okay. The question is, what is the value of T if the half-life is log T? That is the first part of the question. Second part, if OA, this is OA, if OA is 1.3010, the reaction left after 0.6021 minutes is dash units. The question has got two parts. Let us analyze the question. So now when you see the graph, so this is it is given, it is a graph for a first order reaction. Now the graph, the straight line is exactly similar to our first order graph. So now you should understand that if you are getting a straight line like this, so that means that on the y-axis we are having log r only. We are having log r on y-axis. Now, so what is r? R, I told you, it is the concentration of the reactant at time t. So if initial concentration, since it is given A minus x here, so that means that initial concentration is A, and out of A, x moles is being consumed. So this R is A minus x. So you should understand that sometimes it is given like this, R is A minus x. So that means that R naught is, what is the value of R naught? R naught is A. Okay, so that is about the graph. Now the question is, what is the value of T if the half-life is log T? Now what is the expression for half-life? Half-life for a first order reaction, T half for a first order reaction is, you know, it is 0.693 by K. So you should get K from this graph because K is the only unknown here. Now you know that slope of the line. So what is slope? Here slope is minus, since it is a negative slope, the line is slanting like this. So the slope is negative. Slope is minus K upon 2.303. We have already seen this. So you will substitute for K here. You can omit this negative sign because it just shows that it is a straight line with a negative slope. The slanting is like that. That is, as the temperature is, as the time is increasing, as the time is increasing, the amount of the reactant keeps on decreasing. So that is the meaning of this. So we will, without the negative sign, we will put here. So what is the value of slope? Now slope, you know, slope is tan theta. So it is tan 45. What is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. Okay. So 1 is equal to K upon 2.303 or K is equal to 2.303. Substitute it here. So now the question gives that the half-life is log D. So so what is the meaning of this? T half is log T. Now what is this log T? Log T is 0.693 divided by 2.303. And what is this? It is 0.3010. Now the question, half-life is log T, then what is the value of T? Log T is 0.3010, therefore T will be equal to, come on, log T is 0.3010, that means T is equal to 2. 2, and what is the unit? Minutes. Now, the first part of the question is over. Now, coming to the second part of the question. If OA is 1.3010, OA. So, what is this point A? You know, it is log R naught. That means log R naught is log R naught is 1.3010. From this we will get R naught anti-log 1.3010. You know the log value for 3010. So it is the log of 0.3010 is log of 2. So anti-log of 1.3010 will be equal to 20 mole per liter. So initial concentration is 20 mole per liter. Now the question is a little bit a tricky question, but very easy. They have asked you what is the amount of the reactant left after 0.6021 minutes. We have already found that the half life is, what is half life? Log T 0.3010. That means that this 0.6021 minutes is 2 half-lives. So after one half-life, the amount will be half, and after 2 half-lives, the amount will be 1/4. So the amount left will be equal to 20 mole per liter divided by 4, that is 5 mole per liter. Hope you understood solving of these two situations, and if you are having any doubts, put your queries in the comment box. Subscribe to the channel for more JEE questions. Thank you.